Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to pin an element to the screen on mobile view in Wix. This is a really useful feature when you want certain elements like navigation menus, contact buttons, or call to action icons to stay visible as users scroll through your mobile site, creating a more professional and user-friendly experience. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This section is where you'll manage all the settings related to your website's mobile version. From here, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure this is the correct website where you want to pin an element on mobile view. It's always good to double-check you're working on the right site, especially if you manage multiple projects. Now, on this page, locate the Edit Site button at the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the next step. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the real work happens. From here, we'll start by locating the Mobile View button on the top left part of your page. This button allows you to switch from desktop editing to mobile editing. Go ahead and click on it to enter the mobile editor view. Once you're on your mobile view, there's one important thing you need to do to make this procedure possible, and that's enabling your toolbars. Click on the toolbar option beside the search menu on the top right part of your screen. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on the toolbar checkbox to enable it. Keep in mind that it's disabled by default, so you might not see it right away. Enabling this toolbar is essential because it gives you access to the freeze position feature. Now, the process becomes pretty straightforward. Simply click on the element you wish to pin to the screen. For example, let's say you want to pin a mobile menu icon. Click on it to select it. Once selected, look at your mobile toolbar and locate the freeze position option. Toggle it on and watch how the element stays in its position even while you scroll up and down the page. This creates that sticky effect that keeps important elements always visible to your mobile visitors. And that's it. You've successfully pinned an element to the screen on mobile view in Wix. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.